Offerup is a mobile-driven marketplace platform that simplifies the process of buying and selling items locally. Founded in 2011, the platform has quickly grown to become one of the largest mobile marketplaces in the US. Offerup encourages in-person transactions, providing a more personal way for people to buy and sell items. It's like a virtual garage sale or flea market right at your fingertips. From furniture and electronics to cars and clothes, you can find almost anything on Offerup. Offerup's features are designed to make local buying and selling easier and safer. The platform includes user profiles, ratings, and transaction history information to build trust among users. The in-app messaging feature facilitates secure communication between buyers and sellers. The bump feature allows sellers to promote their listings, and the hold offers option lets sellers reserve items for buyers. Furthermore, Offerup also has a shipping option for certain items, expanding the potential buyer pool beyond local boundaries. Offerup is free to use for both buyers and sellers, but it does have optional premium features. For sellers, the bump feature, which promotes listings, comes at a cost depending on the item's price and category. Additionally, if sellers choose to ship items, Offerup charges a service fee. For buyers, the platform is generally free unless they choose to have items shipped to them, in which case they have to cover the shipping costs. Offerup is ideal for individuals looking to buy or sell used items locally. It's perfect for decluttering your home and making some extra cash from items you no longer need. Also, if you're moving and need furniture or household items, Offerup is a great resource. Small businesses can also use Offerup to sell their products or excess inventory. Lastly, bargain hunters and collectors will find Offerup a treasure trove of unique and hard to find items. Offerup's main advantage is its simplicity. The platform is easy to use and navigate. Its focus on local transactions makes it convenient and cost-effective, eliminating shipping hassles. The trust features like user profiles and ratings add a layer of safety and reliability. The wide variety of items listed is another plus. Finally, the option to ship items broadens the market for sellers and gives more buying options for users. Despite its advantages, Offerup has some limitations. The in-person transaction model, while beneficial in many ways, can lead to safety concerns. There's also the risk of no-shows or last-minute cancellations. The bump feature may render smaller sellers less visible compared to those who can afford the cost. Lastly, while shipping is an option, the associated fees may deter some users. Offerup is a user-friendly platform for local buying and selling with an extensive range of items. Its trust features promote a safe trading environment, but users should still exercise caution. While it has optional premium features, its basic services are free. Offerup has some limitations, but its benefits can outweigh them, particularly for individuals and small businesses looking to buy or sell used items. In conclusion, Offerup is a versatile and accessible platform that brings value to both buyers and sellers. Despite some limitations, its strengths make it a popular choice for local trade. Thank you for watching this analysis. If you found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.